Yeah, man. Check this out, man. I know y'all wondering what the fuck happened with me and the fake ass drummer boy, you feel me? Jason Ferguson, Fergie, whatever the fuck you want to call it, fake ass nigga, man. I just seen that nigga, man, like 10 minutes ago, man. I told him in the message, man, he was talking all that shit, man. I told him, I said, man, when I see you, please don't act like a little bitch. And guess what the fuck happened? Nigga act like a little ass bitch, man. As soon as I seen the nigga, man, the nigga come smiling and laughing, nigga, like it's a game, man. You feel me? I'm about to be 32 years old, man. This ain't no motherfucking game, man. You feel me? This is life, man. Like I said, man, in the motherfucking diss CD, whatever fucking song I made about that nigga, man, I can look him in his eyes and tell he ain't from the streets, man. You feel me? Nigga came in smiling and shit, like it's a game, man. Now let him know what that is, man. Straight up, man. I almost knocked that nigga out, man. On my mama, man. The only reason why I didn't do it, man, and I shouldn't even be a reason, man, because I'm mad I didn't, man. I almost did, man. I'm telling you, I swear to God, I almost knocked that nigga out, man. But I like where I was, man. We was at the schoolhouse, you feel me? At the Columbia, you feel me? I should have just roughed him up, you feel me? But I didn't, man. I didn't even put my hands on him. But I was like this close, man. I swear to God, man. Almost. Man, on my mama, though.
I thought you was. I thought you was, man. I thought you was.
Everything, though, man. The nigga act just like a little ass bitch, because I know it's kind, man. The nigga talk that shit hardcore on the keyboard, want to beef on the motherfucking internet and shit. And then when I see him face to face, nigga act like a little ass bitch, man. And I'm going to tell you this, Jason, you little bitch. Before you talk about somebody like me, fuck somebody. Before you talk about me, nigga, you better do some research, first of all. Second of all, you better be real enough, you feel me? Because you fake as fuck, fake as plastic, artificial, fake ass, need to be beat upside the head with a pistol ass nigga. You feel me? Don't fuck with it, blood. Because I'm telling you, we gonna still talk like grown ass men. Like I said, we gonna bend a corner or something, you feel me? And do what we do, you feel me?
For sure.
Little bitch.
I'm gonna stop right here, very low.